Park Adventures, where today I'm at Adventure Island / my home park, where it feels like I've just been blessed with the Adventure Island God's luck, because time machine just opened right in front of my face. And yeah, this has been closed for quite a long time now, very sadly, but it was hand built by Adventure Island, and it feels like one of the most intense flat rides in the entire world. So if you like stuff that peels your face off, come down to Adventure Island and try this. But yeah, I'm so excited to have this back open, because it was one of the best rides here before it closed. So yeah, let's jump straight back on. Okay, so we have Aaron and Ronnie here, who have just been on Time Machine, and now you guys are on YouTube. So yeah, what do you think of Time Machine?
It's really good. The last time I went on it was about a few years ago, and it feels really good. It's better, and it feels a bit more smoother and really intense.
Yeah, so the intensity on that is insane. You're right about the smoothness on it. It's definitely gotten smoother. And the thing's definitely got better.
Yeah.
I'll say that.
Because when I went on it a couple times, like last time I went on it, it wasn't like doing all like the turns and stuff.
Yeah, because I'm pretty sure it broke for a while.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's nice to have this back. Yeah, thank you, Aaron and Ronnie. Thank you. So after coming off the amazing Time Machine, I do feel a bit dizzy, and also I feel like my body hasn't fully recovered from the amount of G and intensity that thing pulled. But yeah, like I go on that, not expecting, I expected a bit less intensity from that. I'm going on that, and I can just see the camera slightly moving on this chest mount here. And I can feel my face just slowly peeling to the right. And then next minute I'm facing down, and then next minute I'm facing back up. It's like, first your face is peeling off, secondly you can feel your body slowly compressing into the seat, and thirdly you don't know which way you're going when. But yeah, other than that, like, incredible ride, and I think that is what makes it incredible, to have something down at a little seaside park called Adventure Island. Although it's not little considering we have a Girls Style Eurofighter here, it's like they built this handmade. This was not made by like Zamperla or SNS or whatever. This was made by Adventure Island, and I know this is a special ride to them. What they have created is something that peels your face off. But yeah, absolutely amazing ride. I'm so lucky to have this 20 minutes away from my house, and also like, it is ridiculous how they've made this, and what it's like. This is probably one of the top flat rides in the UK, and we have it at a seaside park in Southend. How cool is that? But yeah, Time Machine, absolutely cracking ride, and I love it to bits. Thank you for watching Dare's Theme Park Adventures, and I'll see you in the next video.